Hello everyone, your voice here and welcome to the channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, we're going to feature one of our own hybrid, and this particular hybrid that we have bred is tagged with the ad hoc name RAL T1O8. So that means it is with the first tray that I started, and it is on column O, row 8. So the parentage of this particular hybrid is star Ballyi crossed with Eastern Lady Charm, and it has the same parentage in comparison to the first or the previous hybrid that we have featured. So right now though, what I'm showing you is the early stages of inflorescence or flower bloom, and we are in the budding stages. The inflorescence that you're seeing right now is a spike or a raceme type of inflorescence, and I have captured the first picture last February 17th 2024, and later on I will include the screenshot of the day that it starts blooming. So when I say blooming, the flower tubes would start to open up. Right now what I'm showing you is a flower stalk that has flower tubes that are not yet in full length. This stage of inflorescence is where the flower stalk has ceased to grow in length, but the flower tubes are the ones growing in length on this phase. So in a couple more days, the flower tubes would continue growing until such time that it will stop, and then at that phase, the flower tubes would start to open for you. So these are the last remaining days of the budding stages, and we Alright, so right now what I'm showing you is the blooming stage wherein the flowers started blooming. So I captured the first picture March 8, 2024, and it took about 19 to 4 days for them to complete the cycle. So I'm not sure if I took the picture on the first day, but that's an approximation on how many days it would take for the inflorescence from budding to reach a blooming stage. So the next ones would be a video where I will be showing you the measurements of the inflorescence. Alright folks, so this is the second part again, and as usual in the second part of the content, we are going to measure the flower tube and describe the inflorescence of the hybrid or species that we're presenting. Right now I'm presenting another one of our seedlings, and it is with the ad hoc name RAL T1O8. So that means it's still part of tray number 1, and in rows and columns, it is in row number 8, and then it is in column O. So we will be taking measurements of the inflorescence, and what's very surprising about it is that the previous episode has the same parentage, although as I am showing you right now, they are very different in growth form. This one almost takes more on the parentage of the Eastern Lady Charm. The previous episode has the same parentage. It's the star Ballyi crossed with the Eastern Lady Charm. This one is the same, and the parentage or the fruit bearer might be the Eastern Lady Charm, because the other one might be the star Ballyi, but I can't recall. I have to recheck. Perhaps I'll be adding that information on the comments below for this content. But as you can see the difference, they might have the same parentage, but the way that the hybrid was formed from, the cross is so different in form, and this one the leaves are sort of just straight and not really bending over like a fountain, or a firework like the previous uh, seedling that we have presented for you. So they have the same parentage, although the appearance is very different. The pattern is really closer to the Eastern Lady Charm, though, as well as the inflorescence that it showed us. So this is very similar to the Eastern Lady Charm. I think I have also uploaded the inflorescence for Eastern Lady Charm. If you guys are interested to see how it looks like, all you have to do is to look for the magnifying icon for the channel itself, and you type the Eastern Lady Charm, and you'll be able to see how Eastern Lady Charm flower bloom or inflorescence looks like. All right, so more importantly, we're going to start making or taking measurements. So first would be taking in the measurement of the flower tube, which for this seedling, it is important for my work as well. It's 23.6 23.6, and the first and the previous hybrid that we recorded was around 23.3, and they are uniform. This one though has a kind of varying measure for the flower tube. So this one, the topmost portion are decreased in length, and it just ended up with 15.9 millimeters. We can also take measurements of the flower stalk height, and this one is taller from the previous one, which is just at 5 inches. This one is reaching 10 inches for the height of the flower stalk. So different seedlings would merit different look for the inflorescence or the flower bloom formation, or how the inflorescence would look like. They might have the same parentage, but the fruit bearer might be different. So it's either this seedling took 80% of Eastern Lady Charm's genes, or vice versa. I think that's how I would conclude it, or how it could be explained. But this is how they would look like. The similarity to the Eastern Lady Charm would be more or similar rather than the Ballyi star. Actually, we have a sample here, but I don't know, it's quite dark. I'm gonna flash how it looks like. That's all right, guys. So that's the Eastern Lady Charm's inflorescence, and that's Eastern Lady Charm for you. It's having lighter color. You can only see them when it's evening time. They would bloom such as that. I'm just showing as an example, and it would take, the difference would take that this seedling has a very dark green color and not silvery compared to the one that I've shown you, but the inflorescence are very similar to the fruit bearer. So I guess this is it for this content or episode for our own hybrids, which I'm starting to upload because, like I said, we have a lot of of seedlings, and I wanna record all of them. Especially I would share observations about their growth and how they would look like when they're crossed. So if you guys are interested, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I think this is it for this content. Thank you everyone, and you have a great day.